Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video contains a very beautiful blend of hand embroidery flowers that could be used on different design patterns and to design different type of accessories with the help of your hand art. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of our channel. Guys, on our channel we try our best to share amazing and trendy stuff, and all of the entire collection of our today is beautiful patterns that are 3D embroidery floral patterns which could be made on very beautiful different type of accessories. Like, you can design your mobile covers, you can make these patterns onto your
glasses covers,
masks, face masks. Even you can design your dresses as an floral heavy all over embroidery borders. You can use these patterns of embroidery to showcase a very beautiful and exquisite collection of your hand embroidery kit for beginners. And even you can make these beautiful patterns onto the frock, yoke, and many other dress codes of your baby dresses. You can use these to decor your home items like pillow covers, cushion covers, bed sheets, and many more other creative accessories. So guys, I hope that you like my today's ideas. If you really like, then please do subscribe my channel, and please do support us on daily basis because we try our best on daily basis to share amazing and trendy ideas with you, and all of them are beginner friendly idea. So the ones who are in search of new and easy to make hand embroidery patterns, this video collection is absolutely for you. And guys, leave massive comments below my video so that I could get to know what you feel about my content and what you want us to share with you in my upcoming new videos. And until then, take care, stay blessed. You can also subscribe us from many other devices so that we could grow up into a large and a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. With your love and support, we can reach a very beautiful number, and we could grow up remarkably as a YouTube friends and family members. So keep supporting, keep liking, keep subscribing, and keep commenting. And stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.